In this video, I'm going to show you a very special diorama from Trends Hobby, which is the F.A.T ice race in Aspen, which includes this snowy diorama and of course our main attraction, which is the Porsche 911 GT1, the exact same one which won the Le Mans in the 1998. The F.A.T ice race is a legendary motorsport festival traditionally held in a frozen lake in Zell am See in Austria. It involves bringing out some of the rarest, most expensive and most iconic racing cars and classic cars, which are put on snow and ice to slide around for crowds entertainment. In 2024, for the first time in the history, the event left Europe and had its North American premiere in Aspen, Colorado. As you can see on the box, we can see the Porsche 911 GT1, and it's not a replica. This is the exact same car that won the Le Mans in 1998 and was driven by the same driver which won the Le Mans, which of course is the French driver Stéphane Ortelli, and he said that to force the car to turn, he had to play with a wave transfer, throttle control and left foot braking. But after the event, Ortelli compared driving it on the snow to a beautiful ballet, because it's an incredibly stiff car designed to generate massive aerodynamic force at speeds and around 330 km/h on a dry asphalt and not slow speed drifting on snow. By now I think you know everything you need about this special set, so let's unbox it and see how actually beautiful this set is. So let's start by checking out box of the set. Here we can see the start and finish line of the race and of course our beautiful Porsche. It's limited edition, this time in 1998 sets. Of course many more logos, pretty much the same on the back with a even more cooler picture and nothing really special on sides. So let's open our beautiful Porsche. Set's opened and again we have a really cool box, so let me show you what we have here. And here we can see even more picture of this car and also our Le Mans driver, and here we can see the actual car and also parts of our start and finish line and some flags. So let me take everything out and we will start assembling it. So here we have our car, and the first surprising thing to me is that it is actual snow, or you know, something that is made to look like an actual snow. And I'm really surprised because for me on photos it looked like it is just a printed thing, but as you can see here it is actually something that looks like snow, same as the car as you can see here. But the most surprising thing for me is the actual base of this diorama, because as you can see this is the same situation. We have actual snow here, so that's amazing, and some sort of a backplate with a information about what is happening here. And of course here we have our background, and as you can see it's really simple to assemble. Here we are putting our backplate. Here we have some holes for our flags, and of course here we are putting our start and finish line. So let me quickly assemble it. Okay, so here we have our diorama, and as you can see it looks absolutely amazing. I am so happy to see how good it is actually looking. I love dioramas. Sadly they are really expensive, so seeing this one being relatively cheap with a really cool car which is also prepared for this diorama, it's making me really happy. So let's quickly check out the diorama. Here we have 4 flags. First one is the Pirelli, second one is the Porsche design, third is of course the Mobile one, and last one of course is the Porsche. Here we have our start and finish line, of course the F.A.T ice race logo. On the bottom we can see big Porsche design logo. On the back even more Porsche design logos. Of course the backplate, which I have shown you before, and of course a lot of snow. it's actually surprising to me how good this snow is actually looking. So I would say for this price it's a really great diorama. And now let's quickly focus on this car, because it's basically the same as the standard release, but it's covered in a little bit of snow. Plastic headlights, plastic taillights, great looking spoiler, great looking wing with a Porsche logo. Of course, two opening parts, which is the front and the back windshield with a lot of details. But of course we have a lot of details over here, some sort of suspension, mobile logo, but even more is happening over here. Here we can see the chassis, a lot of suspension, and even our exhaust, and of course wheels are rolling, so that's a cool feature. Great looking carbon fiber element, and even more things that I cannot really name. So as you can see, the level of detail is absolutely amazing. And of course, these elements are popping in with magnets, so they are not really falling down. Same on the back, it's just simply clicking on its place. Great looking mirrors. These are not rubber, but that's okay. And here we can see there's a lot of snow, even some on the tires, even the headlights and spoiler have some. Here we can see also on the windows, and cool detail that the windshield actually cleaned our window. And here is the base of the car. Basically nothing is happening there, but that's okay. I don't really need anything on the bottom. I would say that this car is easily the best car in my collection, same as the standard edition. I don't really care if there is a snow or not, both are actually really amazing, and whole diorama is absolutely amazing. I would really recommend you to buy this set. I think that this set is still available on AliExpress, so if you want to buy it, it's not really that expensive, and you can get great car with a even better diorama. So that would be it for today's video. Remember to check out our channel sponsor, which is scalper.eu, where you can buy all sorts of mini GTs, Lido House and Hot Wheels cars, and with my promo code Adam you can get 5% discount at the checkout. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, have a great day, and see ya!